2K resolution. When it comes to security, the key is in the detail. See exactly what is happening in and around your home in crisp 2K clarity, 1080p while using HomeKit. Half-year security from one charge. Avoid frequent trips to charge the battery and enjoy 180-day battery life from just one charge. Detailed night vision. View recordings or live footage in crisp clarity, even at night, for a clear view of who's there. The alerts that matter. Human detection technology enables the camera to intelligently detect body shape and face patterns, ensuring you are only alerted when a person, and not a stray cat, approaches. Ready for any weather. With an IP67 weatherproof rating, eufyCam 2C Pro is built to withstand the elements. Top reviews from the United States. Over the last 8 years I've had Nest, Ring camera systems and now eufy. It's been an expensive journey. The high costs of devices and then the yearly subscription. Living in the country, a security system brings peace of mind. With Nest and Ring, good cameras, but the time it takes to view a notification is terrible, especially away from home. Eufy has resolved that issue for me. At home the notification is fast and access to view what it's about just as fast. Away from home it's fast as well and a relief not to get a message activating device any longer. Daytime quality of the 2C Pro camera is excellent, nighttime is as well, with one exception not published anywhere. The camera needs background light help. A motion detect security light in the area is a must if you want to record an event and see a good picture. For me not a problem, the barn has one. I like this system so far.